It's Monday, beautiful day here at Lincoln Park, Monday afternoon. I'm on my way to the lake and Diversey Harbor. So that is like a 5 or 10 minute walk from where I live right now. Show you around there. Really nice. It's a very nice area of Lincoln Park here. This is called Diversey Harbor. There's a lot of boats here and also people kayaking. I like this part of Lincoln Park. And you can see downtown from here. Downtown is right over there. There's a lot of boats here. A lot of people kayaking too. It's nice to hang out here in the morning or after work in the afternoon. It's just a few minutes walk from the main street in Clark, and a few minutes from here you can go to the lake, which is right over there. And you can see downtown from here, right over there. Let's show you around. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Chevron by John Henry. This is one of the 43 large-scale sculptures on display as part of Chicago's sculpture exhibit. I'm gonna show you how massive this structure is. Look at that. It's right by Diversey Harbor here in Lincoln Park. See how massive the structure is. And there's downtown over there.